Today we are solving a tricky percentage problem that at first looks very complicated, but once we break it down, it becomes simple algebra. The problem is, if 2x plus 5% of 80 equals 15% of 4x plus y equals 20% of 3x plus 2y minus 10, find x plus y. Let's solve it step by step. First, expand each percentage. 2x plus 5% of 80 is equal to 2x plus 5 multiplied by 80 over 100. This simplifies to 8x over 5 plus 4. Next, 15% of 4x plus y. That is 15 over 100 multiplied by 4x plus y. Simplify, and you get 3x over 5 plus 3y over 20. Finally, 20% of 3x plus 2y minus 10, that is 20 over 100 multiplied by 3x plus 2y minus 10. This becomes 3x over 5 plus 2y over 5 minus 2. Since all three expressions are equal, let's compare them. First, compare the first and the second. 8x over 5 plus 4 equals 3x over 5 plus 3y over 20. This gives us y equals 20x plus 80 divided by 3. Now compare the first and the third. 8x over 5 plus 4 equals 3x over 5 plus 2y over 5 minus 2. This simplifies to y equals 5x plus 30 divided by 2. Now we set the two equations for y equal to each other. 20x plus 80 divided by 3 equals 5x plus 30 divided by 2. Multiply both sides to clear the fractions. We get 40x plus 160 equals 15x plus 90. Simplify further. 25x equals negative 70. So x equals negative 14 over 5. Now substitute back to find y. Y equals 5 multiplied by negative 14 over 5 plus 30, all divided by 2. That simplifies to negative 14 plus 30 divided by 2, which equals 8. Finally, x plus y equals negative 14 over 5 plus 8. That is 26 over 5 for 5.2. So the final answer is x plus y equals 5.2. Here's the key takeaway. SAT problems often disguise algebra with percentage signs or wordy expressions. The trick is to simplify step by step, and the solution becomes clear. That's all for this problem. If you found this useful, make sure to practice with full mock exams at MockSATExam.online. It is one of the best ways to build confidence and score higher on the SAT. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson.